Hi there. Now, this may not be common knowledge to you, but if you are an amateur professional boxer like me, you'll know that one of the main things that you fill a heavy bag with is this: sawmill shavings and wood chips. The same stuff that particle board is made of. I'm sorry, can someone help me with these? Thank you. Of all the core materials we offer, particle board is the most inexpensive option. It falls under a subcategory of materials called engineered wood. If you've ever been to a sawmill, you would have seen a lot of this all over the floor, right? Wood chips and sawmill shavings, the byproduct of hardwood being processed into beams or planks. Particle board is made by heat pressing these particles of timber waste along with a resin to form a plank. It's almost entirely manufactured from recycled timber. So particle board gets a big thumbs up for being eco-friendly and sustainable. If you watched our other videos, you would know that MDF and HDF HMR are also engineered wood. So what is the difference, I hear you ask? Let's find out. These three panels are the exact same dimensions and thickness. But if we weigh them, you'll notice that particle board is the lightest. MDF is slightly heavier. And HDF HMR is the heaviest. That is because they all have varying densities. If we look at a cross-section of these three in close-up, you will see that particle board is the least dense. You can actually see the gaps between the particles, right? MDF is a little more dense, and HDF HMR is the densest of the lot. Around the world, kitchens are commonly made exclusively with particle board. However, Indian kitchens are a lot more water intensive. Our cuisine, with its curries and tadkas, demands a lot more cleaning. Also, we have only just started to see a few people embracing dishwashers, so our sinks see a lot more action than kitchens abroad. Since particle board isn't as water resistant, its usage is restricted to areas in the kitchen that are not exposed to water, such as wall units. We also use it in false ceilings, in paneling, wall partitions, and the carcasses of modular furniture. Its use in conjunction with other core materials helps bring down the overall cost of your interior. Oh, and the particle board we use at Livspace is Indian Standard 3087 grade. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is particle board. Inexpensive, eco-friendly, and made from recycled timber. You know, back in the day, I was state champion.
Really?
Yeah.
What category?
Huh?
What category?
The strong category.
This guy, man.